Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm making seafood boil. Yes, today I've been making seafood. Jamaica style. Yes, so here, stay tuned now. So cleaning up the shrimp and the lobster and the crab. So, I clean them up, wash them with lemon, wash them thoroughly. So, you know what time it is, you know how it goes. Hot of a bubble and nasty trouble. Okay, so I wash out the shrimp, cut off the edge them, see? Get them cut off the bits, lemon. Okay, so all the seafood are ready. Clean and boil, potato and corn. Egg is cooled into pot. So here is my seasoning I'm using. Yes. Cajun powder, chili powder, yep, paprika, salt, black pepper, white pepper, oregano. Yeah. Oil in pot, ready to saute the garlic, the onion and the chili pepper and the scallion. Yes, so everything is basically ready now. Yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and saute my seasoning and make my sauce and add it and finish. So there goes the seafood boil, finished, ready to eat. I'm just gonna plate it now. Yep. So there it is. Everything is in, and it's simmering. Actually, it's finished. Yeah. And there goes my rich, spicy seafood boil. That is my seafood boil. So here is the finished dish, guys, of my seafood boil. So do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.